Tyson, you cannot fit your butt in the sink. I understand that you're trying. What are you... Don't get mad at the sink. It's not my fault you're a supersized bird. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Guys, stop, please. Oh. That's nice. You just slipped off my sink and into my dishwasher. Here, and step up. Well, fine. Step up. Okay. Here. All right, come back over here. All right, there you go. Go play in the water some more. I think this is the funniest thing you've ever done, Tyson. All right, let's try this. Oh, thank you. Okay, wait a minute now. Hey, buddy. Oh, hush. Go this way. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come here. Okay. All right. See if this helps you out. Oh. Well, you wanted to get wet. You're getting wet. Okay. Now, you got wet. Shake it off.
In my poster.
Look at him. I sprayed him with the hose in the sink. Oh my God, that's funny. Go spray
Hey,
him.
hon, we got people coming over and he's getting water everywhere.
Well, you know, even with him throwing water, it'll still be the cleanest my house has ever been. Until I married you. Okay, now you're putting your wings in the bottle of water you're drinking. All right, come on.